Jacksonville area. Sunday. Forecast. Sunday. A well-defined subtropical ridge remains the dominant synoptic feature, extending from the western Atlantic into northeast Florida and southeast Georgia. Aloft, strong subsidence in the mid and upper levels, especially around 500 to 700 millibars, suppresses vertical motion, keeping convection firmly off the table. Expect dry air entrainment above the boundary layer, visible in forecast soundings, which will also cap any sea breeze-induced lift. A pronounced sea breeze will still develop by early afternoon, advancing well inland due to the clockwise low-level flow around the high, though without enough instability to trigger convective development. High cirrus from a short wave to the north may drift overhead, but skies will remain mostly sunny. For pilots, anticipate smooth VFR flying conditions area-wide. Inland airfields will reach the upper 80s to near 90 degrees, introducing minor density altitude impacts west of I-95, especially during late-day departures. Light, variable winds early will trend easterly with the sea breeze, and turbulence will be minimal aside from brief thermal mixing below 3,000 feet in the afternoon. Melbourne area, Sunday through Wednesday. Forecast, Sunday through Wednesday. The western Atlantic high continues to exert influence across central Florida, with the ridge axis gradually drifting closer to the peninsula through midweek. This stagnant pattern supports a strong inversion near 700 millibars, capping vertical development and maintaining widespread subsidence. As a result, skies remain mostly clear with only occasional high-level cirrus. Each afternoon, expect a well-defined sea breeze to enhance onshore flow at coastal terminals. Winds may increase to around 10 to 15 knots at sites like Melbourne and Titusville, though inland progression weakens by midweek as synoptic support decreases. By Tuesday and Wednesday, surface heating outpaces any cooling effect from onshore flow, with highs climbing into the low 90s inland and mid-80s along the coast. These temperatures may flirt with daily record highs and will elevate density altitude concerns for general aviation, especially at interior airports such as Sanford and Orlando Executive. Overnight lows in the 60s will preserve a mild, moist boundary layer, which may result in shallow fog or low stratus in inland valleys during early morning hours, though limited coverage and quick dissipation keep widespread IFR unlikely. Fire weather potential, dry fuels, and thermal turbulence could pose minor concerns for low-level VFR, particularly in the 2,000 to 4,000 foot layer during the afternoon mixing window.